quick video of the house. So this is the front door. I think we might need to fix this spot here. Just fill it out and repaint. This is the look in terms of paint finish. So my thought was maybe we could repaint the stair rail. We could repaint sort of the baseboard, and maybe the wall, because the wall is not bad, but you can see some little uneven painting surfaces. I guess it shows up over time. Same thing for along here. And this is the kitchen now. The kitchen is not bad, except for a few spots like up here. You can see where there's uneven painting and even the surface has some type of bubbling going on. When you come down to the sink, along here needs some attention. In these areas. But the appliances are in good condition. Dishwasher, stove, and the refrigerator. Everything is in good condition where that's concerned. Yeah, it's not bad, but it would be good if we could give it a repaint. Yeah, like those spots. Upstairs is not bad either. The room is in good condition, especially the main bedroom. Let's see if I can get the lights. Yeah, the rooms not bad. The painting in there was taken care of well. The bathroom needs a good little cleaning though, so we'll get to that. And the other room, pretty much the same. But if you do decide to repaint, I would paint in one color instead of having the accent wall, just to make it easier. So I guess we can talk about it some more, but that's basically it. All right, take care.